What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be working on the 1000. I already got it on the rear stand and jacked up in the front. We're gonna be deleting one of the rotors and caliper, free up some weight and rotational mass. I'm gonna delete the other side so that way I don't have to get another brake line. I can just use the factory one and just eliminate the one that goes to the other side. Should be pretty straightforward. I did it before on my other bikes when I had them, but yeah, it should be pretty quick and simple. Don't mind the dirt and grime and all that stuff. I gotta do the fork seals and all that stuff too. I have the parts in there already, but just haven't had time to do it. I know I need to get it done. I'm tired of seeing the boxes sitting there. But yeah, we're gonna get that knocked out, and then once I get the wheel and stuff off, I'm gonna pick you guys back up. Alright, after about 10 minutes or so, got it off, wheel off. I still gotta take the rotor off. We got the caliper off. And then if you never did this before, one thing that you do need to know, you need to take the shorter one and put it in the caliper that you are using. Otherwise it's going to leak and it's going to be no good. But other than that, that's really the only thing you got to be careful of, is making sure you swap that out. About to check the brake pads while I'm in there too. They don't look too bad, but still got life left on them, so should be good to go. But let me get back to it. I'm gonna take the rotor off, and then I'm gonna pick you guys back up once I have it back together. Alright, so we got everything put back together. I would say it probably only took me about an hour to do it. That's just me taking my time. But yeah, that's how we looking. I still gotta bleed the brake, but that's easy. It's the old stuff. Now, it ain't a ton of weight, but every little bit counts when you racing. I don't know if I'm a race. I'm still up in the air about that. I don't know if I want to turn it into a road race bike or not. That's why honestly I haven't even ordered the strap to lower the front down, just because I don't know if I want to mess with it or not. I'm still thinking about it, but let me know what you guys think. Should I set it up for road racing or just keep it how it is? Keep it stock wheelbase and enjoy it. That's really all you can do with it when you stock wheelbase, wheelie. Try and keep it down. But I do have the little Brock's caliper delete things that just, like, I guess fill this space up, but I don't think it's really worth putting them on there, considering I don't have a lowering strap yet. So we're gonna leave it like that for now, and then we can go for there. But let me know what you think I should do to it. I'm definitely want to change the wheels up on it, do something that nobody else got. But drop down in the comments what you think, what wheels I should go with, and yeah, let me get the brakes bled, and then I'm gonna pick you guys back up. All right, finally got the brake bled, got the bike back on the ground. Of course, sun going down, finished just in time, but got the light out here, so it's probably gonna be hard to see, but got it done. Definitely looks cleaner. I'm glad I did it. Definitely gotta order some sprockets or something for it, just to clean it up a little bit and get some more of that stock weight off of there. Cause I'm pretty sure the sprocket's never been changed, considering the mileage and everything. When I got it, it was still pretty much bone stock, besides the exhaust. But yeah, hopefully might try to ride it to work tomorrow. And I know you might be asking, why you get rid of the rotor and caliper? Isn't that gonna affect your stopping? No, it does not affect stopping at all. I don't know where that even came from, but it does not affect the bike at all. Only thing it does is make it lighter. You still, as long as you bleed the brake right and make sure you're doing everything the way it needs to be done, you won't have no problems with it at all. And I'm pretty sure when I got the bike, it was probably a problem with the front brakes, because I couldn't, when I first got the bike, I could squeeze the lever front like all the way, basically to almost touching the throttle, and it was on the lowest, well, I guess at the highest setting, which brings it closer to the throttle. It was still stopping fine, but still, I just knew something was off with it, so I've been wanting to figure out what's wrong with it. I'm pretty sure it was just something wrong with the brakes not being bled right for whatever reason. But yeah, we got it all situated. I'm gonna go in the house, order some parts for the Evo. Probably was gonna take it to the shop and let them deal with it, but I'm like, hey, if I know how to do it, I might as well just suck it up, save some money, and do it myself. Only gonna take a couple hours to get it done anyway, if that. So hopefully the Evo will be back up and running soon, and waiting to get the CRV in the shop so they can tell me what's wrong with that before I just go out and buy a transmission. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe. And before we end the video off, I'm gonna do a cold start on the bike. Haven't been started in at least 2-3 months. So I'm gonna end the video off with that.